Go! Here comes Richard after practicing his bike riding. Whoa! Whoa!
Dad, don't take a picture.
All right, we're filming Richard. Keep going, Richard. Keep going. Yeah.
Keep going, Richard. Fly right here. Fly right here. You just fly in. Fly right here.
You want me to stay right there and cry?
Yeah.
Okay. Keep going, Richard.
Come. That's right here.
All right, that's enough. Richard, what do you want? Allegra, what do you want Papa to do?
Sit right here and cry.
Sit right there and cry in a timeout?
Yeah.
Why?
You just like everything.
Oh.
You
Okay.
hit mommy, okay?
I did what?
You hit mommy.
I hit mommy?
You cry,
With what?
Mommy,
What did I hit mommy with?
with the soccer ball. So you need to
On the bike?
On the bike.
Oh. And who's got stronger bones? Papa or mommy or Richard or Allegra?
You. Papa. You.
Oh. Okay.
You get time and cry and get time out and cry.
Okay, I'm going to get a timeout and cry. Bye. Say bye.